Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Dr.S.M.Zafeer with you, and you are watching my informative vlog on Facebook and YouTube channel. Some interesting facts of bird migration or avian migration. Birds migrate to move from areas of low or decreasing resources to areas of high or increasing resources. The two primary resources being sought are food and nesting locations. As well as changes in food supply, the changing angle of sunlight, lower and lower in the sky, cues the preparation for migration. Lower temperatures can also be a factor, though many species can actually tolerate even freezing temperatures if food is available. Many migratory birds travel in large numbers, so they are safer from predators. Stop-offs, short breaks en route for a rest are common. Migratory birds are those that fly out to different parts of the world in the winter to escape the cold. The Siberian crane and flamingos are examples of migratory birds that flock to India during the winter. Roughly half of the world's nearly 10,000 known bird species migrate, including several songbirds and seabirds, waterfowl and waders, as well as some raptors. Guinness World Records lists the longest recorded migration by a bird without stopping for food or rest as 12,200 kilometers or 7,580 miles, flying from Alaska to New Zealand. Birds in migration can travel as far as 16,000 miles. To reach their destination in time, some travel at speeds of 30 miles per hour. At this speed, birds take up to 533 hours to reach their final destination. Traveling 8 hours a day, it would take some birds 66 days to reach their migration destination. Siberian cranes are snowy white colored birds and migrate during winter to India. Greater flamingo is the largest of all species of the flamingo family found in the Indian subcontinent. Most birds migrate at night. The stars and the moon aid night flying birds' navigation. Free of daytime thermals, the atmosphere is more stable, making it easier to maintain a steady course, especially for smaller birds such as warblers that might fly as slowly as 15 miles per hour. Among the first groups of birds to move north are waterfowl, ducks, geese, and swans may begin migrating as soon as frozen lakes and marshes start to thaw. Even in the northern states, flocks of waterfowl may arrive in late February. Migratory birds travel at the same speeds we usually do while driving. These range from 15 to 55 miles per hour, depending on the species, prevailing winds, and air temperature. At these rates, migratory birds typically fly from 15 to 600 miles or more each day. Many migratory songbirds return to the same local area and often to the exact same territory each spring, even after traveling thousands of miles to and from their wintering grounds. A new study finds that migrating birds take mini naps during the day but only rest half their brains at a time, allowing them to keep one eye open. Many migrating birds fly at night, often all night, to cut the risk of being seen by predators and to avoid overheating under the hot sun. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my vlogs, please like, share and subscribe. Stay blessed.